Jeff Bezos just set off a multi-million-dollar fireball just to kick off the Prime Day season, which is a pretty accurate representation of what most influencers are doing right now. They're running around, they're trying to get all their videos shot, their deals together, all just to prevent a fireball because they weren't prepared for Prime Day. But us here at the RBA, we've spent the last 6 months making high quality videos, using our SEO skills, building that library so that we can just sit back, have a drink, and collect the dollars when they come in. We're pretty much on autopilot. This is a vacation for us where the brands and Amazon are going to spend all the money and effort advertising, and the people are going to flock to us because we've done the hard work. We did everything we needed to do to align ourselves so we could hang out by the pool and collect checks while everybody else is scrambling around. My actual preparation for Prime Day is I am not going to lift a finger. I am literally going to have a really nice vacation and enjoy the fruits of all my labor for the last 6 months. Hey, if you're new to the Review Business Academy here, make sure you subscribe, like this video, share it with a friend, because I'm going to go over the 10 things that we regularly do so that we can relax and do nothing to prepare for Prime Day other than open up the bank and collect checks. Number one is we've built a full year-round, 24/7 library of outstanding content, amazing review videos which are SEO friendly and everybody can find them all the time without us needing to promote deals and that kind of stuff. We're creating the content so when buyers are searching, they're going to find our content and be able to use our affiliate links to go buy some. Number two is the compounding equity of SEO. We've built all of these videos with all that SEO in it, and for the last 6, 12 months, 6 years in my situation, they've been building that equity in search, and that equity is going to pay off now when everybody's searching what should they buy when they see these deals. We're going to be the ones who get promoted to the front of the list. Number 3 is evergreen product focus. We don't chase trends. We are always working with high demand products that everybody is going to want and they're going to search for come Prime Day. We want those evergreen, always of interest products. We don't chase those trends. Number 4, and this is an important one, is we have streamlined on-camera work, meaning there will be no last-minute shooting. There will be no all-night editing of videos to get things up for Prime Day. We have already made our high-quality videos, posted those videos, got them in the algorithm. They are all ripe and ready to go. As soon as people start searching for Prime Day, we're already there and at the top of the list. While this course is focused on YouTube success, we don't ignore Amazon. Number 5 is we've prioritized our on-site placement, made sure our videos were there nice and early, we're embedded, we did a high quality product, our video is amazing. We're going to be up there on that top carousel ready for when Prime Day comes and people are looking to buy. Number 6 is set it and forget it affiliate links. All of our links are done, they're deep linked, they are in our descriptions at the right place. We've audited those descriptions as we've put them up. We've made sure they are search optimized. Everything is already in place, ready for Prime Day. There is no rushing. There is no last minute prep here. We're all ready to go. Number 7 is exploiting Amazon and the brand's advertising budget, right? Because for the last 6, 12 months, 5 years, whatever it is, we have been working hard, working professionally, and positioned ourselves so when Amazon goes crazy with the purse string, when our brands which we really love start pushing and advertising, whether it be on YouTube or whether it be on Amazon, we're already positioned perfectly to take advantage of that. Number 8 is passive brand sponsorships. We've already negotiated our deals months in advance, right? We said, you're going to have this product, you're going to promote it. When Prime Day comes, will you agree to promote our product at that time, promote our videos at that time? We've already addressed this. We are not rushing around now. We're not doing last minute stuff. It is done and it is past it. Pre-built Amazon storefront collections. Listen, again, we're all about YouTube. We love YouTube, but we're not ignoring Amazon. And throughout the year, we have curated our collections. Whether it be summer clothing, camping products, RV products, pool products, outdoor furniture. Those shopping lists are already filled with our favorite products. We're not rushing around doing that now. We keep editing them, keep updating them. We stay on top of things so we don't have to rush in the last minute. All we got to do is decide what kind of beverages we're going to have while we're collecting these checks. And number 10 is we already have our automated systems running, right? We spent the last 6 to 12 months refining the algorithm, watching the analytics, setting up our system of doing our videos, and then having the shorts support them to encourage the SEO and the new eyes and the new followers. We've done all that work already. There's nothing to do now. This is really the time where we get to relax, reap the benefits of all the work that we have done through the last year. It is legitimately party time and very exciting. I love when Amazon Prime Day comes. I love when Black Friday comes, Cyber Monday, all these big shopping events, and I've already done all the work. There's nothing new that I have to do other than watch the checkbook grow, because it is going to grow. It'll be a fun day for sure. Even with these new rules, it's still going to be fun. So if you want to have a conversation with me personally and get deep on this about your actual storefront or your YouTube page, go to reviewbusinessacademy.com. Just sign up there. You'll become eligible for a free 15-minute channel review with me. I am happy to do it with you, give you some instant actionable things to help you either get monetized, make your conversion rate higher, get more views, whatever we need to work on, we'll work on it for those 15 minutes. You should absolutely take advantage of that. As I said, you should be liking this video, sharing it with your friends who are also in the community, and subscribing to the channel. I do these videos regularly and I try to drop information that's really valuable for you. I hope this video has been helpful, and I hope you make a ton of money on Prime Day. Please, please, please don't be that person freaking out right now because you haven't done all the work. If you are freaking out, freak out, get the work done, but then sign up for the Review Business Academy, and let's get you squared away so you can just enjoy these shopping holidays. I'll see you in the next video.